Hi, I'm Tawila and I've been lashing for 3 years. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to upcharge and when and why you're going to be upcharging clients. In the lash industry, an upcharge is when you add an additional fee on top of the service without necessarily charging them for a full set. When your client comes in with less than 50%, that would be the perfect time to go ahead and apply an upcharge. With upcharging, I always like to address it when my client first sits in my chair, just so they know going forward in the service that they know exactly what to be expecting. So at the very end, they're not like, oh my goodness, what do you mean? Like, what is that price? You always want to address it right at the beginning so they can approve or decline the service. When upcharging, I like to keep the pricing in a $10 to $25 range. If you do go higher than that, then you might as well go ahead and move forward with a full set that day. Now my client's taped up and she's ready for her fill, and you can see that she has a lot of her natural lashes. You can see that she has less than 50%. Now would be the time to address an upcharge and see if she's comfortable with it moving forward with the service. When asking this question, you want to make sure that you're direct and to the point. You're explaining to the client that this additional fee is covering your time and your extra supplies that you're using in order to make her extra full. And you want to make sure that you always ask to make sure she's okay with it, because if they're not okay with it, then again, you just say, okay girl, I'm just gonna fill you with the remaining time that we have and I'll get you as full as I can. If you feel uncomfortable upcharging at first, I totally understand. You can always start out with just doing a $10 upcharge fee and then always progress from there, but you're also letting her know that that little fee is saving her extra money and rather than paying for a full set. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brought a ton of value to you. Question for you, do you normally upcharge your clients? Leave your answer in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.